Hi guys, I'm Marcela. I really hope you are well, and for this video I have this cute little guest. She's gorgeous. Isn't she a doll, guys? We're gonna do a cute hairstyle special for Valentine's Day that will be very soon, and I hope you like it. First of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. This girl was in the pool just before we filmed the video, so the texture of the hair was a little weird. So after the treatment, the hair was so smooth, shiny and perfect to start the hairstyle. When I brush the hair, you can see, guys, how shiny and smooth it is. To start the hairstyle, I'm going to do a division in the middle of the head on the top, and then I'm going to do another one from here to the ear. I'm going to bring it down behind the ear and just where it ends. On this side, I'm going to bring the division just where the ear starts. Now comb the hair, and I'm going to hold it into a ponytail for a while. Now I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to pick up a tiny piece of hair. We're going to split it into 3 equal sections, and we're going to do a Dutch braid, crossing the outside strands under the middle one. In here, I'm going to start adding hair from the front. Now cross again the strands under the middle and add a tiny piece of hair to the braid. Cross the strands under the middle, and once more we're gonna add hair to the braid in small pieces. Cross the outside strands under the middle and keep doing the same steps until you add the remaining hair. In here we are on the other side already, so as you can see, I'm pulling the braid a little bit further to the back, and when I add the hair, I'm going to do some more stitches of the braid and hold it with an elastic. For the heart, I'm going to start doing a division in here. We want the heart facing a little bit to the right side, and I'm going to do the first half of the heart. Perfect. I'm going to leave the division just up to here. Now hold this section and do the same on the other side. If you haven't done a heart on the hair, maybe it will be a little bit hard at first, but with practice, every time you will get better. Perfect. Now I'm going to comb the hair and hold it into a ponytail once more while we are doing the braid. I'm going to start from this corner. I'm going to grab a tiny piece of hair. Now split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a Dutch braid. Cross the outside strands under the middle one and add hair to the braid. Cross the outside strands under the middle, and once more add a tiny piece of hair. Cross the outside strands and add hair to the braid. As you can see, the key for doing this braid is adding very tiny pieces of hair, and we're going to do the braid following the division that we did. We're going to keep doing the same steps until we add the remaining hair from this section. And next Next, we're going to keep braiding almost to the end of the hair and hold the braid with an elastic. Next, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, I almost finished here, and when we are ready, we're going to grab both of the braids, and as you can see, our heart is looking great. We're going to hold both of the braids with an elastic band. And now I can take off the other elastics. Next, I'm going to comb the hair very well this time. We're going to hold all the hair into a ponytail, and we're going to add the heart and the braid from the headband. Hold everything with a regular band. And comb the hair. You can leave the hairstyle how it is, or in this case, our little girl wanted a decoration, so I'm going to wrap a silver thread all along the braid of the heart. If you want a tutorial more detailed on how to do this, please let me know in the comments so I can show you how to do it in another video. To finish, I'm doing a little bowing here, and I'm going to cut out the remaining pieces. And here we have the final result. So pretty. If you like it, please don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out any of our videos. See you on the next one. Bye!